Can't believe it? This YouTube channel is raking in a smooth $5,000 every month, and here's the kicker, it's all thanks to over 4 million views in the past 30 days alone. With just 29 videos under its belt, this channel has amassed nearly 3,000 subscribers in a mere 4 months. And get this, their secret sauce? All their videos are AI generated, taking them only a quick 10 minutes to produce. These types of videos are hitting peak popularity, and you too can jump on the bandwagon to earn effortlessly. Here's how. Step 1. Craft a compelling story. Utilize tools like ChatGPT to generate unique narratives. Remember, specificity is key to avoid common tropes. To ensure you get unique results, give ChatGPT a specific prompt, for example. Write me a story about Queen Babylon, how she started when she was young, and when she grew up, how she assumed ruling positions from her father. Make sure the speaking tone is friendly and storytelling style. Observing ChatGPT's output, it's evident that a distinctive narrative has been generated. Utilize this narrative as inspiration for your video production. Now you need to provide another prompt like, I want to create an animated YouTube video about this story and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes? The more creative you are, the better results you'll get, so use your imagination. And modify the prompts accordingly. Step 2. Bring your story to life with images. Leonardo AI offers a range of styles, perfect for animating your scenes. Get creative with your instructions to yield powerful visuals. You can find the link of Leonardo.ai in the video description. First, go to the AI image generation option where you'll see various featured models, but for creating animation videos, you can select the 3D animation style. Then change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI. Before generating, provide additional instructions to get better results and make a powerful prompt. For example, vibrant 8K, colorful, realistic. Then wait a while and download the photos you like. Do the same for the other prompts until you finish them all. Ensure to use distinct animation styles for each image to uphold video quality. Now we will create a 3D story with these images that we obtained. Now on to the third step, converting the images into animation through the following platforms. The first platform, Hyper.ai, a tool powered by artificial intelligence, allowing for the conversion of numerous images quickly and freely. Here's how to proceed. 1. Click on the image icon. 2. Select Animate your image. 3. Upload the desired image. 4. Wait for it to load, then go to Settings and choose a duration of 4 seconds. 5. Allow it to process the image. 6. Repeat these steps for the remaining images. The second platform I recommend is layapix.com, which gives you 80 free credits when you sign in. Click Upload and then choose the image you want. Indeed, it's a powerful AI 3D animation tool. You can customize the animation length and style according to your preferences. There are various animation styles available, such as horizontal wide, circle, tall circle, and perspective. Ensure to use different animation styles for each scene to maintain visual diversity. Keeping the animation slow is recommended for a better viewing experience. Once the animation is complete, download it and repeat this process for all the images. The third platform is Leonardo.ai, which provides you with 150 tokens every day, making it quite remarkable. Here's how to use it. Click on Motion and select the image you want to animate. You can choose from the images you created earlier. Click on Generate and wait for the process to complete. Navigate to AI Image Generation to view all the results. Please note that you may encounter some errors, but they are generally acceptable. The fourth platform, which I highly recommend, is Runway. Here's how to use it. Sign in for free to receive 125 credits. Click on Try Gen 2 and upload the image you wish to animate. The unique feature of this tool is that you can provide it with a prompt to guide the image movement. Once the rendering is complete, you can download the video. Step 4. Transform the story into captivating audio by utilizing 11 Labs, a robust AI voice generation tool. Access the link provided in the description to explore its capabilities. However, remember that it's a paid service, so refrain from using it without proper subscription to avoid complications with YouTube monetization. The Creator Plan is particularly tailored for content creators, ensuring seamless integration into your projects. Plus, keep an eye out for ongoing special offers, making it even more accessible. To bring your story to life, simply input your video script into 11 Labs and select a fitting voice from their array of options. This streamlined process guarantees a polished voiceover for your video. Once satisfied, proceed to download the audio. Repeat these steps for each segment of your narrative to maintain consistency throughout. Let's proceed to Step 5, where we merge the audio and visuals. It's time to synchronize the meticulously crafted voiceover with the captivating imagery. While there are various tools available for video editing, my personal favorite is CapCut due to its remarkable versatility and user-friendly interface, compatible with both PCs and mobile devices. Download CapCut and import all your video clips and audio. Ensure seamless synchronization between the voice and video clips to deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Start by arranging the events according to the story, then put the voiceover, but wait, there's more to enhance viewer engagement and accessibility. Remember to incorporate captivating captions into your video. Navigate to the text option, select Auto Caption, and create captions that will be added to your video in mere seconds. You can further customize the captions by adjusting the font, color, and more to make your video more engaging. Consider adding background music and effects to elevate your video. You can find royalty-free music on YouTube's audio library. Once everything is perfected, export your video in up to 4K resolution. With these AI-powered tools, establishing a successful YouTube channel and earning substantial revenue is within reach with some strategic effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Now, I'll leave you with this intriguing tale. Enjoy!
Once upon a time, in the ancient city of Babylon, there lived a young girl named Ishtar. From the moment she opened her bright eyes to the world, it was clear she was destined for greatness. Ishtar possessed a spirit as fierce as the desert sun and a heart as vast as the Euphrates River. As a child, Ishtar spent her days exploring the bustling streets of Babylon, her imagination ignited by tales of queens and kings who ruled with wisdom and strength. She listened intently to the stories told by the elders, soaking in every word, like a sponge thirsty for knowledge. Her father, King Nebuchadnezzar, watched with pride as Ishtar grew into a remarkable young woman. He recognized her natural leadership qualities and nurtured her curiosity, encouraging her to learn from the wisest minds in the kingdom. Under her father's guidance, Ishtar studied the art of diplomacy, the strategies of war, and the intricacies of governance. She proved herself to be a quick learner, absorbing the lessons like a desert flower soaking up the rain. As the years passed, King Nebuchadnezzar began to entrust Ishtar with more responsibilities, allowing her to assist in matters of state and accompany him to important meetings with foreign dignitaries. Ishtar seized every opportunity to prove her worth, her keen intellect and sharp wit earning her the respect of all who crossed her path. When King Nebuchadnezzar fell ill and grew too weak to rule, the people of Babylon turned to Ishtar, recognizing her as the natural successor to the throne. With a mixture of apprehension and determination, Ishtar stepped into her father's shoes, ready to lead her beloved city into a new era of prosperity and peace. With each passing day, Queen Ishtar, now known as Queen Babylon, proved herself to be a wise and just ruler. She governed with compassion and fairness, always putting the needs of her people above her own ambitions. Under her reign, Babylon flourished like never before, its walls towering high and its gardens blooming with abundance. And though challenges arose, as they always do, Queen Babylon faced them with courage and grace, never wavering in her commitment to the land and people she loved. And so the story of Queen Babylon serves as a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and the enduring strength of the human spirit. As long as there are dreamers willing to fight for what they believe in, the legacy of Queen Babylon will live on, inspiring generations to come.